Hi, I'm Steve Turtle, and I'm a work camper, and this story's about work camping and a whole lot more. Was all excited. They said it was going to be bike week. Then I realized, motorcycles, Steve, motorcycles. I just heard a helicopter fly over. I thought it was a motorcycle. It wasn't. Nope. Unless motorcycles can fly. I don't hear them. Yes, that is correct. It is Bike Fest here at Riverview RV Park, Lake Ozark, Missouri. And there's quite a few bikes here at the park. The park is packed, no reservations, so if you didn't make any, you just missed out. I'm gonna walk around the park, check out some of the bikes. You wanna go? Yeah, we don't get a lot of these at the park. Check this out. School bus. Gary Lodge. I'm drinking coffee. It's 2 in the afternoon and it's hot. I don't understand. Coffee's hot and temperature's hot. You know what time it is? Have you ever been out driving around and you see a driver and you go, what the heck is he doing? And whatever he's doing doesn't make any sense? Well, let me set the scene for you. When we leave the park, we pull up to a stop sign and we have to yield into a 2-lane highway. You would think that oncoming traffic would merge into the next lane and let you out. Well, it's time for some driver's etiquette. Check out these drivers. Now watch all these cars. The car in my lane won't yield. Even though they could get over, they won't yield. See this truck? He won't yield. I can pull all the way out in the edge of the road. They just won't get over. I don't know what their problem is. Okay. I know I'm supposed to get to the Workamper part of the video. That's coming up next. So you want to go do some work? Come on. Ride over to one of our sites and take care of a PVC repair. Have a loose sewer connection. You want to put a little PVC glue on it, tighten it up. You don't want that to get loose while somebody's trying to drain. Get sewer all over the ground. So that's what I'm going to do. You want to help? So I have a loose PVC fitting. I'm going to have to scratch up the ground a little bit and clear it out so I can put some glue on it. And we'll glue it up and secure it, and it won't be a problem anymore. Clean that off a little bit. Run some sandpaper around here, rough it up. Sandpaper here. Rough it up. Hey, how you doing? Rough up both surfaces. That way, glue will set up better. Put a little cleaner on both surfaces. That'll help the glue clean up the dirt off of it. Make a better seal. Put a little glue on both surfaces. There you go. That's it right there. Well, that's that. Just wanted to prevent a problem. You don't want sewer spill all over the place. Then you have to wash it down and try to figure out how to get that smell out of there. And it's always better to be preventative than reactive.
Well, that was our week. We had a really good turnout for the Bike Fest. Pool was filled, campfires were going, everyone arrived safely, left safely, and also as an update, Dale's cat's feeling much better. Question of the week. What are some of your work camper stories and projects?
Please comment below. Let's start a conversation. Your comments will help somebody find their way through all the questions about work camping. If you liked our story, click like below. Subscribe if you'd like to hear more stories like this one. And hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button. It'll let you know when the next video comes out. New videos every Friday right here on this YouTube channel. Thanks for your time. Bye.